Hello fan collectors, this is a remake video of my 52-inch red air-cooled GE vent ceiling fan from I believe July of 1987, and I finally got it out again to run a test on it, and I think this is the best I've ever seen it run. But before we get into that, the other video of it just it just didn't really turn out too great. And I was over in the spot where the Lady Delta is, the Casablanca Lady Delta, way over there. If you can see it, has the schoolhouse light on it. But anyway, the neat thing about the ceiling fan was it was sold at a store called Stanbaugh's back in the 1980s, and that was right near my house. And we frequented that store, and it was basically a cross between your Ace Hardware and Lowe's. It closed in fall of 1997, and this is a ceiling fan that was on their display in the 1980s, like the mid to late 80s. And notice the light kit. It has a Casablanca K4S type fitter and spherical globes on it. Came just as you see it. And this was meant to knock off, this is like the poor man's Casablanca Delta 2, and they were offered in Ferrari red even with K4S fitters. And here's a close-up of the vents. And it has a filigree sideband, and go up to the canopy. It's the same shaped canopy as what you would find on most Palm Air top mounts. Aircool used that for this as well. Just show a little at the top of the motor. And now let's take a look at the blades. Nice Ferrari red, and they're pointed tip. Let me turn on the light for you. Beautiful. Try to get a better look at the blade with the light on. Very nice. It's a little dusty, but now let's take a look at the pull chains. They also came with it. I think that was a unique feature to this fan. And it's got a reverse switch. We'll turn out the lights now. And now we'll turn on the fan and start out on low. I think I had to replace the capacitor in this fan if I'm not mistaken. And this is a childhood fan of mine, if I didn't disclose that, one of my favorites, and found it at Goodwill in 2008 and just scooped it right up. It's not in the best condition, but I'll take it. I've seen worse. Medium. Putting out a decent amount of air on medium, but not as much as it will on high. In the last video you saw of it, it did have a slight wobble to it, but now I think I've been able to decrease it. These air cools were real wind machines, let me tell you what. And we'll power it down now and have a little race with the Hunter Lansdowne in the background. And it was sold at Stan Baugh's right around the same time as my blue Hugger was. These fans are both taking their time spinning down. Wonder which one's going to win the race. Going to finish first. The Hunter stopped first, in case you didn't notice. Perfect. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.